Hi, my name is Brady Patoka. I'm from Amherst, Wisconsin, which is just east of Stevens Point. I am 19 years old and this is my second year of college. I am currently enrolled in the Agriculture Power Equipment program for my associate's degree. I grew up on my family farm growing cash crops like corn, beans, peas, and potatoes. I currently work at Hellbach Farms, which is located just outside of Waupaca on the west side on Highway 54. We grow corn, beans, and lots of big and little potatoes, farming a total of 4,000 acres in all. I am from a family of five, with my older brother Riley and my younger sister Carly, and my parents Joe and Jody Patoka. I enjoy being outdoors and I love hunting, especially deer hunting. I am a die-hard Chevy and Case IH International Harvester fan. I have a girlfriend named Taylor who is a big John Deere fan, so we like to argue about that. She has a beef farm, and I love to help her take care of her red Angus cattle, which she is very proud of, as well as help her train and prepare her two show steers, Milo and Maverick, for the upcoming fairs in the summer to show them. In high school, I was a part of FFA, and I was very involved in it as I was part of the club for 5 years, and I was treasurer and president in my final years. I also took many trips through the FFA, a few being going down to Indiana for the National FFA Convention 3 years in a row, Wisconsin State FFA Convention for 3 years in a row, and a trip to Washington, D.C., known as the Washington Leadership Conference at FFA, where I toured the city and learned a lot over the course of 4 days. I am looking forward to graduating in May and starting my life in the real world after I finish my gen eds and earning my CDL after taking the CDL course through the driving program.